Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Erlang' 2025. This is the 24th ACM6 Erlang workshop, and is co-located with ICFP, as in previous years. The chairs is so Kiko, Ákos, who couldn't come, and Laura, which is this is a forum for presenting research and experience reports about techniques, tools, languages, and novel applications, and it's focused mainly on beam languages. What this means is that it's focused on concurrency, parallelism, distributed programming, actor modeling, and so on. There's a lot of emphasis as well on functional programming, concurrency, and reliability, as you will see from the presentations that we have today. We received 8 submissions, and each one was reviewed by 3 program committee members. 5 papers were accepted, 3 were rejected. We also have a space for lightning talks, where we will see upcoming work from industry, I think, and also from academia. This is the schedule. So we start with Tobias, as in Swedish. Tobias will present a keynote, followed by a coffee break. Then we continue with formal semantics and verification session, which will have a bit of mechanized proofs in Erlang, deriving an Erlang interpreter from mechanized formal semantics of core Erlang, and a lightning talk called the State of the Union challenges for checking unions and generics in partner. We continue with another session afterwards, which is about tool systems and static analysis. There will be a talk about the Stop the World Debugger for Erlang, followed by evaluation of Atom VM for Erlang fault tolerant ESP32 based systems, and a lightning talk about Mailboxer, given by Laura. Followed by a coffee break, and we finish with distributed behavior. So we have a talk about moving objects and behavior cycling ad hoc networks, lightning talk about I'm going to pronounce it Devon, a monitoring tool for distributed deadlock detection, and a final lightning talk about securing Erlang and Elixir applications by Adriana. And then we finish with the closing remarks. The program committee consisted of Cons from Meta, Stavros from Erlang Solutions, or industrial companies, Bete, which is here, thank you, Victoria Fierdos, Paul Harvey, I'm going to say Sabak, Chaba, thank you, Daniel
Horpachu.
Isabel Juan, and Kenji Italia. And the Green Committee takes a set that I'm not going to read for the pronunciation. And we're really grateful for the support that our sponsors, from our sponsors like the Erlang Ecosystem Foundation, Ericsson, Erlang Solutions, and Hajdu. Without them, we would not be able to give stipends to people to come and present work that we're going to present today. We would like to thank you all for participants and the larger community. So thank you all. All of these are languages that run on the Beam virtual machine. So that's Erlang, Elixir, Lisp, Clever Erlang, Glean, Caramel, Fika, Clojure, Handler, Alchemy, OCT, PCL, Lua, and Bragg.